It's a good day on the Australian share market with a gain of 1.3%. We are seeing gains across every single sector with the one exception of the utility space. It comes as the US stock market managed to gain 1.5% in the two sessions that the Australian share market was closed. We did see jobs in the US on Friday only gaining by 75,000 compared to expectations around a 175,000 job rise. But the market took the bad news as good news, increasing the probability that the Federal Reserve will need to cut rates over in the US. We've seen a new listing on the Australian market. Prosper, which tried to list the same time last year before some ASIC questions caused it to defer its listing, has listed on the market. The share's up by 16% compared to its IPO price of $3.64. This company is a fintech which looks at lending to smaller companies, usually higher risk ones that the banks are wary to lend against. So the debut doing well on the market. AGL Energy, a non-indicative, non-binding bid for Vocus. The indicative bid is a cash one at $4.85. It will now start due diligence. It comes as private equity firm EQT Infrastructure walked away from a potential deal after due diligence last week. We are seeing Vocus shares up by 8% and AGL Energy shares down by 7%. Meanwhile, we've seen Star down by 17% after its trading update. The casino operator saying that it expects FY19 earnings to fall due to economic conditions as well as renovations. It expects to see earnings before interest, tax, depreciation and amortization between $550 to $560 million. So the share's taking a big tumble today and one of the worst losers on the market. But all in all, the Australian market looking good and healthy, up at an 11.5-year high and up by 1.3%.